My name is Nick Carey. I'm your chair for the day. I step into some pretty big shoes, those of Walter Tuttleby, who has, chaired these events from the beginning. And now we're going over, rather as was done with a certain BBC quiz format, we're going over to a series of guest chairs. I guess I could try and earn my stripes and be invited back, but it might be a long time before that happens. For those of you who've come here for a nice sort of day out and a snooze, I love doing that myself, I do it a lot, but actually I have an apology to make. We're going to make everyone work a little bit. It's a more interactive format today, which I will signal by walking around amongst the tables, Jules Holland style. And we are going to challenge each and every one of us. And apart from what we do during the day, I'm very, very keen that everyone here takes back what we've learnt and what's inspired us today and cascades that out amongst the organisations that we work with, because that's the way that we'll get more traction. The Transport Data Initiative is a fantastic operation, a great collaboration between initially the inspiration of one local authority, Bucks, but it's cascaded out to become a national venture funded by Innovate UK, and it is really one of the motors for making a difference in the data aspects of transport today. We've actually got some interactive polling technology today, so that we'll be able to poll the audience, and we've got a speed networking event coming up in the afternoon, which is going to involve a certain sort of slight unconference format where people vote for the things that they want to hear about, and then presenters will present for approximately 5 minutes, and we'll have a real chance to interrogate those presentations. Next up, after my introduction, we've got Unlocking Zero Emissions with Big Data. That will be very interesting. Followed by Transport Data in a Small City. My own talk, which is on all electric by 2040, but what about now? Then we will hear about the Green Wave project in Birmingham, which is all about riding the green wave of traffic lights across the city. Then a really important sort of moment to actually touch into a project the Department for Transport is running on local transport data. And that'll be introduced by the North Highland team, who are over at that table. Then in the afternoon we have the panel discussion, followed by the speed networking event, a summing up, some coffee, and then we can all retire at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is a nice, gentle start.